Everybody, my name is Andy Tang, and today I will be explaining a story called The Story of the Lantern Festival, other known as 元宵节的故事. Thank you for listening and please enjoy. Once upon a time, there was a man named Dong Fang Shuo who lived in a royal palace named
Do you have a script? Take out your script. Do you have a script? Script. Take out and read it. No, you didn't prepare that?东方朔是干嘛的 Skip it, go to the next one.
As Dong Fang Shuo is very kind, smart, and respectful. As he was showing for the royal garden, he found a girl who was weeping over the well. He quickly rushed there and asked her why she was crying. It was later found that she made tangyuan, a rice ball with sweet fillings inside for Dong Fang Shuo. My family should explain. I've been here for a long time, for 8 years, and still cannot see my family. Dong Fang Shuo comforted her and said, "Don't worry, I have a plan to solve this." She told Yuan Xiaojie her plan and quickly went to Yuan Xiaojie's family and told them the plan. Then she went to the city in the heart of China and pretended to be a fortune teller. He told everyone there on the 15th of February, China would burn with a lot of fire. People were scared of this, and then soldiers caught Dong Fang Shuo. He wanted Dong Fang Shuo to make a plan for this. So, Dong Fang Shuo pretended to think very hard, and then finally said, "I heard that the fire god likes to eat tangyuan. How about we make tangyuan for them so bad it will not attack us? Then we will set up lanterns and set up firecrackers to imitate a fire burning." The king really liked this and told everyone to do it. Then, on the 15th of February, Yuan Xiao was promoted to teach everyone how to make tangyuan. Dong Fang Shuo gave him a lantern with her name on it. So, once Yuan Xiao's family came, they found her lantern with her name on it and then shouted, "Yuan Xiao Jie, Yuan Xiao Jie." Yuan Xiao heard it and ran quickly to her. Yuan Xiao hugged his family and explained, "Please thank Dong Fang Shuo with his magnificent plan." So, on February 15th, he tangyuan, which is also nicknamed Yuan Xiao. This is on February 15th. It is called Yuan Xiao Jie. Thank you everyone.